Hello, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead. I thought I would do an unveiling of what you're going to get. Excuse the rustling. I'll get it all out here. What you're going to get in your medium landscape portrait Mmeory Book Kit from Pink Frog. So this is the green and the ivory version, okay, and there's lots of different colour combinations. So in your kit you get the cardstock you need, plus I'll put them up here out of the way, plus you get your centimetres instructions, okay, and also your cutting and scoring guide, and this includes the new bonus double pocket style as well, so that's all on there ready for you. So you get your instructions, your cutting and scoring guide, you get your cardstock, okay, so in each kit you are going to get your card size that you are going to require, okay, so that's one thing, which in this case in the medium is going to be your 12 centimetre by 36, okay, so you're going to get everything you need there. So you're going to get 20 of the green, 20 of the ivory, and you're also going to get 20 of the green and ivory as well in the A4. And then this means that you can make up 4 Mmeory Book kits. You choose the ones you want to make, because with this style of card blanks or unscored card, you have a choice. You can make 1 landscape, 3 portrait, 2 landscape, 2 portrait, 3 landscape, 1 portrait, 4 landscape, or 4 portrait. The choice is going to be yours. Now I'm showing you the green and ivory, but at Pink Frog there are lots of different colours that you can also get. So let me bring this in as well. So you've got, let's go back to the original. So the original ones we bought you were black and white. So this is true black and true white. So from Pink Frog, this is all acid and lignin free, perfect for keeping your memories. True ivory and true brown. True red and true green, that was a new colour ready for the Christmas. The true green and true ivory, which you've just seen me show you, and true blue and true white. So that's everything that you need. So you've got your instructions as well and your cutting and scoring guide. If however you're more of a visual person, you can also purchase as an extra my online workshop. So the online workshop, you get emailed a password. It is available in inches and centimetres. The instructions and cutting and scoring guide in your kit is in centimetres only, but my online workshop offers the inches version as well. The workshop is broken down into separate videos, so you haven't got to keep fast forwarding and coming back. It's all available as separate videos, so you can dip in and dip out. The bonus page fold for the landscape is also available there as a video. I do a video with a list of sort of tools you're going to need, very basic tools. You're just going to need your red line tape, your EVA or some acid and lignin free glue, a scoreboard. If you haven't got a scoreboard, you're going to need a ruler and a scoring tool. You can do it on your paper trimmer. But the beauty of this kit from Pink Frog, and me doing this collaboration with Pink Frog, means there's very minimal cutting. The only cutting you're going to do is to cut the A4 to make your photo mats, and also the A4 to do the covers. Pages, no cutting, just a couple of score lines. That's as easy as it is. So let me share with you some of the mini ones or medium ones. Let me move this all to one side. Got cardstock everywhere. So this is the portrait version, so you can see how the pages come up. You've got enough cardstock in there as well for your photo mats, you can see that it lays flat when you're viewing. So when you're viewing, it lays nice and flat. If you wanted to post this, yes, it's got a 5 centimetre spine, but the way the spine is designed is you can push it to one side and pop it in a jiffy bag for posting. So it's very good for posting. So that's an idea for a portrait. Let me bring another one in here. I've added ribbon to these. This is where we're not taking away your creativity. You can add your own little flourishes on these to whatever you want. I've stored in here my mum's first birthday cards. So it hasn't got to be photographs, it could be memorabilia as well, but I know everything is stored correctly because everything is acid and lignin free. So that's another portrait. And let me show you one more portrait. This again is just using the true white, but this time I've inked and stamped with the Pink Frog stamps and just built that up really easily. So even on the true white, you can do your inking and blending techniques. So if you don't want to use pattern paper, you can go ahead and use your stamps as well. So that's some portrait versions. Let's move these to one side and show you some landscape versions. So here's a landscape one, just using pattern papers. It's going to take you longer to pick your pattern papers than it is to make your actual project, and I really do mean that, because you know that's going to take you the longest. How are you going to decorate it? It's going to take you longer to work out than actually making it. They are super quick to make, minimal fuss. My 7-year-old niece actually made one as well, no problems. Once she got the scoring right, she never used a scoreboard before, she'd never made a mini book before, but once she got that scoreboard correct, she was away. So this is just showing you different ways you can use your landscape. Again, memorabilia. I've got postcards in here that my dad used to send back when he used to go on his cycling weekends away. So use it for your memorabilia, not just for your photographs. So you've got, with the kit, you can make landscape versions, which is fabulous. You can make portrait versions. Here's another one with stamping and inking. This is directly onto the ivory, the true ivory cardstock. Again, you can see how nicely it stamps. You can do that spritzing technique. Again, still holds its own. Great quality card. So, landscape, portrait, you choose. Okay, and let me just share with you last of all, before I sign off, that bonus double pocket page. So here's the medium. It fits exactly the same in the same cover, same spine as your landscape. The double pocket page only actually works with your landscape. It doesn't work with the portrait. So you've got your 2 pockets. You've got your smaller photo mat that will pop in there, and then you've also got your larger photo mat as well. So you've got that lovely double pocket page. Now, the other thing you can also do, you can mix and match your double pocket pages with your single flat pot pages, because each of these pages is exactly the same size. So again, this is giving you more versatility, more creativity that you can do with your memory books. So you can ink, you can stamp, you can get your pattern papers out there, you can have fun creating these gorgeous medium memory books with the medium memory book kit from Pink Frog Crafts and Cards. I'll leave the links below from where you can get the kits and also where you can purchase the online workshop. I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.